Yo, what's up, guys? So I did a secret hack and cook burgers, and I'm gonna show you another one. So fly again, just like how we did in the other video or short, and keep flying. Drop the thing that you had, and then come into here, and then now you have rooms. So what you're gonna do is go up here. And then instead of going in that room and then up the stairs, you're gonna go into this room, and we have turtles too. So every single room is a secret room. So check every single room, check the whole building. In fact, there might be like a lot of secret stuff in here. So yeah, check the whole building because there's a lot of stuff that you could find that's like a secret. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.